And he's purring now. You're so sweet. You want to eat something? And you want some food? Estoy comida hermoso. He's taking all the
You
camera.
want all of the love.
Let me try with this one.
No one wants to play. And you
Is this a good time
play.
for you? Hopefully not the hands of everybody else.